We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Miaoli County, with its green mountains and pure streams, is home to many Hakka people. 50 years ago, enterprising Hakka farmers started cultivating lemongrass commercially, with a view to selling the oil known as citrulina, both domestically and abroad. Citrulina was used in manufacturing mosquito repellent and Chinese medicine. In that era, Taiwan met 70% of the world's demand for citronella, and most of it was grown in Miaoli. In the 1970s, the then Taiwan provincial government proposed starting a perfume industry based on citrulina, but locals lacked the necessary know-how and funding. Today, the area is developed as a fragrant tour with an emphasis on aromatherapy treatments. Hi, it's time now for our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm David Wang.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Alice， 我们都知道呢，最近很多台风，那么在台湾呢造成很大的灾害。Now we have seen a lot of typhoons this year, and a lot of typhoons have hit the central and southern portions of the island, and it was a disaster. 是一个灾难。Are there any expressions about weather, about typhoons in Hakka? 在客家的俚语里面有没有关于台風方面的？
有一句話就係講，晴日落水有氣風，濕嘅感染有嘅空。
Okay, let me just take a wild guess. There's a saying about typhoon, and what is it?
晴日落水就是7月下雨。
If it rains in July,
有氣風就是又有風來了。
coupled with typhoons,
10個感染就是10個那種橘子園，9個空就是9個都是空蕩蕩。
Oh, 9 out of 10 tangerine farms are destroyed. 所以呢，10個裡面有9個這個甘樹園就被破壞掉了，
吹壞了。
Okay, one more time, slow motion.
7月落水
7月下雨，
有氣風，
又起風。
10個感染
10個菊園
9個空
9個空 Okay, if it's rainy and if it's typhoon, then it's going to destroy all your farming, agriculture industries. And that's our lesson of the day. Go learn it. 什麼大家按自些？
什麼大家按自些將來了？
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.